Okay, we're in the shack now and we're going to do an SteppIR scan with the Rig Expert AA5AU antenna analyzer. It's hooked to the feed line to the D40 40 meter rotatable dipole. So we're going to go ahead and check it out and see what the SteppIR graph looks like. And there it is. Whoa, it looks pretty good. Previously I had set the antenna at 70-75. That looks like that's where it's at now. So I actually have a picture of the scan that I did after the antenna was installed. And as you can see, the SteppIR was 1.12 to 1 at 7075 kilohertz. So we will look at our scan. SteppIR is 1.13. So it looks like it's basically no change. No interaction from the stepper boom to the D40, which is very good news. I can go ahead and proceed with the installation of the stepper antenna.